Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD.com or JD Chinese shopping app right here. Then allow the app to completely load up. So just like what you see right here, next thing you want to do here is to look for a particular product that you would like to add to cart. Like for instance, if you would like to add this particular shoe to cart right here, what you need to do is to click on the product link. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing we want to do right here, like I said, go ahead and click on the product link. So after you click on the product link, it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to the sales page. So click on that. Now you are here. To add any product to cart from any store sales page right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. So here you have to choose color, size, and the quantity from these sections right here. Like for instance, if I'm interested in this, so I need just one of it or two. So I'm going to add two right here. It will add, and it will be successfully add that particular color into quantity, just like what you see right here. Then we can go back again, and then you can see we have it in our cart. We can click on the add to cart again. So let's say I need this color, how many quantity of it? So we have to come to the quantity section after we've select the color we want right here. Then we have to choose quantity. I need just one of it right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. This will allow me to add it to cart. Successfully added to cart. I'm going to close this tab right here. So we have two items in our cart. So click on here again. Then let's say I want to add this color, then how many quantity? So I can decide that this particular one here, I need it about 3, then hit on here to add it to cart successfully, just like so. Click on here to close this tab. So we have about 3 different items in cart. So we can click on here again and proceed with another color. So this particular color we choose here, we can decide to add about 5 of it into the cart. Then hit on here. This will add another color of 5 quantity. Click on here to close the tab. So we have so many items in our cart right here. You can go on our own and add different size, different color, different quantity as the case may be into cart on JD Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using JD Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xiaoyun or Chinese Idlefish Chinese shopping app, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.